So, if anybody here hasn't shot at nighttime before, or you're planning to, or you want to, or it's something that you're kind of unfamiliar with, watch this video and then go try it. Test yourself. Try it. Have a good time. That's what this art form's about. But I wanted to start with that message just in case you're someone that's like me and you're like, I don't do that. All right, so let's just get started.
Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today we are gonna do some nighttime film and photography. So tonight is the night we go out and shoot some photography. I just watched Peter McKinnon's new video. He's like my idol. And it was all based on nighttime photography and what to do and what to bring. And I thought it was really interesting. And I'm like, well, I can do that. So here I am talking to you guys and getting ready to go out. It's about, I think like 5:30 at night. So the sun's way down. And yeah, let's go out and shoot. Going into what Peter McKinnon said, there is a lot of difficulties into doing night filming, but I'm gonna do as best as possible and go from there. But if it's a lot of signs and it's a lot of main attractions that are all lit up, that is not my fault. That is the city's fault. So let's continue this journey of nighttime photography and filmmaking, and hope you enjoy. It is a 45-minute walk to the Coliseum, and I really want to take a picture of it at night, and this may be my only opportunity, so I think I'm going to take the 45-minute walk and hopefully get an amazing picture out of this basically 2 hours of walking. So that's kind of where I'm at now. Headed to the Coliseum. So guys, unfortunately, changing plans. I'm going to the Pantheon. It is closer. It's about 4 minutes away instead of the Coliseum, 40 minutes away still, unfortunately, or 30 or something like that, but I've decided to change up plans. So guys, here it is. Here's the Pantheon to prove that I've been here. And it is actually really cool once you go inside of it and underneath it. I mean, you can't even imagine how big these columns are. I mean, they're like huge. And I know you can't really see me. There I am. And I know it's very difficult to see. It's dark out, obviously. I wanted to see it at night. Now I'm like in the direct middle of it. So let's get 360. But yeah, this is definitely some spectacular thing that these people created. Like, I couldn't even imagine doing this with modern day technology. Past technology, I mean, how do you build this and make it last? And it's an incredible thought, and I just am mind blown again by this culture and by this just overall experience. But my battery is at 1, so I am going to get going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and remember, keep living life.